Hi everybody! In today's video I want to show you my very first bullet journal and a little trick that I learned that if you're not a very creative person and you don't want to spend all the time writing down things in your journal that are repetitive, I have a product that can help with that. And I wasn't even planning on having this help me. I just made them because I know that a lot of people use planner stickers on Etsy or journal stickers with like the days of the week, the days of the month. And so I already made that product, but now that I'm making my own bullet journal, I realized how amazing they are because I didn't want to have to write everything out. So here's my first bullet journal, and excuse the messiness and the amateur look of this because this was my first try. Alright, so here's my first monthly spread, or for the first couple days of January anyway. And see, these stickers are the stickers that I made, and they go on sticker paper. So I print them out and cut them myself and stick them on here. And so then I don't have to write, you know. I mean, obviously this is not for someone that likes to write everything, but I just wanted a little variety and inspiration because I'm not the most artistic person. So I have different colored stickers. And see, the reason why there's different colors here is because January 1st starts on a Friday, and I wanted my spread to be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like this. So every new spread is going to start on Sunday and end on Saturday, and then I only have 7 different colors, you know, one for each day, and then I did a multiple, you know, variety of colors and styles, which you'll see. So every week is going to be a different color with these stickers. And I really like these stickers because it's better than writing. I think it's better than handwriting all of these. I mean, yeah, it does take time to cut the stickers out, but I like them because, like I said, I'm not very creative, and I don't want to, like, I don't know if you saw, that is just my, that's just how creative I get. You know, I just write plain old letters, and I don't really know what to do. So if you're a beginning bullet journaler, and this here, I just kind of put a washi tape and wrote in a marker, and that's, I kind of learned that that's, you know, that's not very artistic. So and yeah, another one of those. But with the days of the week, I wanted to have stickers because I didn't like having to write. And then when I ran out of the stickers, I actually did run out, and I had to start writing myself. And then as you'll see, well, this page is a mess because I had the dates wrong. But there's a couple times where I started to write, you know, the name of the day, and like right here. And then I had to scribble it out. I mean, I do have some whiteout coming in the mail, but it hasn't showed up yet, and I just wanted to finish this book. So I don't like having to write these. I would rather have stickers. It doesn't really look good just, you know, scribbling on there. It looks more professional, I think. I mean, just look at this page compared to this page. It just looks more professional. And as well, these stickers go in planners. I made them. The version that I have on Etsy right now is specifically measured out to fit the Erin Condren planners. So the ones that I'm using here was before I edited them for the size, so these might not be the exact right size. But these are fine for a bullet journal because I don't really care how big they are or how small they are. But if you want to use these stickers for a Erin Condren planner, they will come in the exact size. And I have more than just this color. These are just my first practice round. But in this video, I'm also going to show you the stickers. I'm going to make a separate video just showing you the stickers. So yeah, this is my pathetic attempt at a first bullet journal. And I'm learning as I go, so this is not going to be the best. I do actually have a couple other bullet journals that I'm going to be starting. I have like 5 of them. This was just the one that I made for my business, and I'm learning, you know, so I really think this is awesome, though. I love bullet journals so far. I like the fact that you can put whatever you want on whatever page you want. and I really like using these stickers. So I'm going to make another video next to show you these stickers on Etsy.
Alright, in this video I'm going to show you my stickers, my planner stickers that are available on Etsy. So these are the updated version of the ones I was using in my bullet journal, which I showed you. Those ones were just practice, and I didn't know the correct size. I know that Erin Condren planners are very popular, and so that size of sticker that would fit inside the box would, that's why these are, I had to redo them so that they would fit. So I've got Sunday through Saturday on this page, and there's a variety of fonts. There's a variety of little background colors and patterns in these. And here's the next page with my signature purple, blue, and green colors that I love to use so much. And then I decided to get a little crazy and use a lot different colors, and actually those are in the other one here. This one I just decided to, do some different themed colors um, in different fonts. And I also like watercolor. So in this page here, there's some watercolor ones. So these are the months of the year. And then on this page, there's morning, afternoon, evening, and night stickers. And so these are good for if you want to, get down to planning your entire day down to the hour. And here's another page of those. I really like making these. So these are for sticker paper. These are not for the Cricut machine. So if you have a Cricut machine that prints them out and cuts them for you, then this will not work for you, because I wanted something that was accessible to people that do not have the Cricut machines. They're kind of expensive. If you don't have these machines and fancy software, you can still use these stickers. All you need is a printer and some sticker paper. So it's a way cheaper option than buying the Cricut machine. Of course, that's good for, for what it is good for, making designs and shapes of stickers. But for just the simple ones that you use in planners and journals, you don't need the fancy Cricut machine. You just need some sticker paper. And I like this sticker paper a lot. I don't remember what brand I bought, but you can find them on Amazon, and it's easy to cut them, especially if you have one of those blade. I don't really know what the word for them is, but you lay the paper in it and you line it up with the ruler part, and then you pull the blade down. That's how I cut these. I mean, it is tedious, but I really like the look of these stickers. As I showed you in my planner, or my journal, I think it looks more professional than writing everything yourself, especially if you're beginner, and especially if you're not a creative, artistic person. And if you just want, the simple words where you don't want to have to keep writing them over and over. So that's why I made these stickers, and I really like using them for my bullet journal. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. And if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe for some more stuff like this. And leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions for other stickers that you want me to make. I would happily make, whatever people want. So I'm going to be venturing into this um, the planners and journal sticker territory a lot more than this. This was just my first venture into that, because I really wanted to use these. Well, I mean, I know they're very popular. I know that, the months and the days are, they're the most popular kind of stickers because every planner needs them. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.